guys, it's your girl Eva Love. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. And today I'm going to be doing my little sister's hair and skincare. Let's just say hey guys.
Hey guys.
Okay, let's get started. Okay, let's remove the skincare headband. Okay, first I'm going to start with this. It is this moisturizer, like you spray it on their hair and it was going to be very soft and yeah, let's do it. Oh, this was moisturizing? Okay, let's start and brush it in. Oh, this is going to be good hairstyle. Except, do you have any ideas of which hairstyle you want?
I want to have braid hair and straight hair long a little bit and put a little bit pucker and braid and pack it and then braid it here and then just pack it together and then be amazing.
Okay. Let's do.
And then after just do a little hole here.
Okay, I think I can do that. So we're gonna be using this for the hole. So we're gonna start here on the forehead, all the way. Yeah, this is good. Make it a little more. Okay, so your hair is going to be so pretty after I'm done. Oh, this hair is going to be good. So just mix the shoulder. I just get this straight line. So and then I can just get a little line here. Sorry, so did it hurt? Sorry. I'm not gonna make it so painful anymore. Okay, this is cute. That's right. You like it? Yes. Isn't it? Talk more.
Hey.
Okay, so. And guys, don't forget to subscribe, notification bell, share, and like and comment. Yeah, let's get back. So, yeah, this is how it looks. And then exhale, I'm gonna brush the back with this brush. Pretty basic. It's gonna look so cute. And then I'm gonna use this cute little bow and put it here. Just like here. Let's put another one, which is red, in this place. Oh, so cute. And here how it looks. And we're done with that part. And now we're gonna maybe. Like, so do you want like one here and then one here?
No, I want to have bread here. All of the bread here.
It's gonna take too much time. I can just do like this. Okay? And comment down below if you want another episode like this, or if you want something else that you guys want. So I'm gonna be doing them, and I'm gonna be making more episodes, cause like I'm at home like the whole days, cause like I have school like in 2 weeks, so I have some time to do the episodes. Okay, where's the packer? We're gonna be doing a blue one. Oh no! I'm gonna instead do, or yeah, I changed my mind, because I'm gonna have another I'm gonna try and make it super cute for her. And this is how it looks. Now let's do this. So you like it? Okay, let's do. Oh my god. Okay, let's do this side. And this. Let's get a blue one. This one's a little bit thicker, maybe a little bit thicker. It's gonna look so cute. Comment down below if you guys like this video, and yeah, this is so cute. Okay, let's brush the back a little bit. So you like it? Oh, this is not so, like, I have to make this a little bit bigger because like the other one's pretty big, so I'm gonna make like two, like here and here too. Okay, two cute little braids. I don't think I have time for braids, so I'm just gonna make it pretty basic, like looks like a little bows. It's not. So we're probably done almost. Let's just brush the edges a little bit. My god, this is so baby cute. It still has a lot of baby hair. Does it hurt? Okay, we're done with the hair. Here's how it looks. So coming a little bit closer, I'm gonna show you guys the hair look. And yeah, let's get started to the skincare. The first product we're gonna be using is, or maybe not product, but this little thing, this little cotton swab, or thinking hot pack measure. Comment down below if you guys have a specific thing that you want us to do, and we're gonna be doing that. Now, the ram. So good. Okay, so I'm ready. We have to do a little bit more. Oh, that was too big. We're on my skin instead. So don't rub it in. Let's get this and this. I'm gonna take a little bit from here because a little bit too much. Get on my skin. Okay. Okay, so should I rub it in? Okay, let's do that. So moisturizing skin. The head. As you can see, her skin is very sensitive, so I have to rub it carefully, or else she can get some stuff. You're almost done. Just close your eyes a little more. Yeah. So let me rub it in for you. No bags under there. Definitely do know so it can be sensitive. Oh, her skin's glowing. So here it looks. I know that it looks pretty glowy. Oh, now we're pretty much done. And yeah, let's take the perfume, the inside baby 95 spray in green. There's many other colors, but the green one I love so good. Okay, Excel, ready?
Yeah. And we forgot the lipstick.
Oh, don't worry, Excel, you're too small. Maybe we can do it in the next video. Excel, you good?
Mm-hmm.
You come in your face a little bit. Don't worry, Excel, you're gonna be good. Open your eyes. Yeah, Excel, come a bit closer. Her hair's done. Everything's slick. We got her skincare. As you can lick your lips. Lick your lips like this. Now the glow is looking a lot. Okay, she got her glowy face. We got her little two buns. And yeah. Thank you guys for watching the Make Hair Skincare. And don't forget to subscribe, hit the notification bell, share, like, and comment. Bye guys, we love you.